Hello, my name is Thomas and I am 30 years old. I've studied business administration here in Argentina, where I was born and raised. I have experience working in sales and in marketing areas, specifically working as an account manager in two different companies and working as a product manager in a company called Ryzen that owns the Shell brand in Argentina. I think that what makes me a very valuable person to hire is that I am super proactive. I'm always looking forward to improve myself and I am very results oriented. I achieved very good results in every role that I've got and I'm looking for sales roles basically in tech companies. I think that this possibility aligns pretty well with my goals. So I'm looking forward to have a first meeting to get to know better about the company and you can get to know better about myself. Thank you very much. And I wish that we can get to meet each other.